Right, you're ready to burn fat, build muscle, and get fit without stepping foot in a gym, right? Sounds impossible? Well, I'm here to tell you, it's not only possible, it's easy with these 5 bodyweight exercises. We're talking about serious results, and no, you don't need to be a gym expert or have a closet full of equipment. I've been working out for a long time now, and I put all my experience to help you achieve the results you want. So just follow along and let's get moving. First up, we've got jumping jacks. Yes, those things you probably did in gym class when you didn't want to do actual exercise. But trust me, they're actually amazing for burning calories and getting your heart rate up. Seriously, who knew jumping around like you're trying to get away from a swarm of bees could be so effective? Jumping jacks work your legs, core, arms. You name it, they even help improve your balance and flexibility. And the best part? They're low impact, so your knees won't hate you like they might after running 5 miles. Fun fact, around 10 minutes of jumping jacks can burn as many calories as running a mile, without the treadmill dread. So, what's stopping you from giving it a try? Jumping jacks enhance cardiovascular endurance and coordination while increasing blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. This dynamic movement is also excellent as a warm-up, preparing your body for more intense exercises. This exercise also promotes lymphatic drainage, aiding in the removal of toxins from the body. Additionally, jumping jacks can serve as a stress reliever, as the rhythmic movements and endorphin release help improve mood and reduce anxiety. Perform 3 sets of 30 to 50 repetitions. This range effectively elevates heart rate and enhances cardiovascular endurance. Adjust the number of repetitions based on your fitness level, increasing as your stamina improves. What is the proper technique? Stand tall, feet together, arms by your sides. Then jump. Spread your legs and arms out like you're flying through the air. When you land, bring everything back in. Don't forget to bend your knees slightly when you land to avoid any knee drama. Next up, we've got squats. Yep, I know, everyone's favorite leg burner. But don't let that scare you off. Squats are the exercise for building strong legs, and you can do them anywhere, anytime. Squats target everything from your quads, to your glutes, to your calves. It's like hitting the gym without any machines, and it burns fat like crazy. Seriously, a 150-meter person can burn over 200 calories just doing squats for 30 minutes. And guess what? They're also great for strengthening your bones and joints. Talk about a win-win. And hey, if you feel your legs shaking, that just means you're doing it right. Embrace the shake. That's your body getting stronger. Plus, nothing beats the satisfaction of being able to get off the couch without grunting. Am I right? Squats engage your core, promoting stability and balance, and improve hip and ankle flexibility. Regular squatting stimulates hormone release like testosterone and growth hormone, essential for muscle growth and overall health. Squats also promote better digestion and circulation by facilitating the movement of fluids through the body. Furthermore, they can enhance athletic performance by increasing lower body power and strength, benefiting activities such as running and jumping. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. This range promotes muscle endurance and strength in the lower body. Ensure proper form to maximize benefits and prevent injury. Start by standing with feet a little wider than your hips. Keep your back straight, shoulders back, and squat down like you're sitting in a chair. Just don't actually sit, okay? We want those thighs burning, not the couch cushions. Let's turn up the intensity with burpees. If you thought squats were hard, burpees are going to make you rethink your life choices. But in a good way. They're like the Swiss Army knife of exercises. Full body workout, strength, cardio. And yes, they will burn so many calories you might need a towel just to wipe your sweat off your face. Burpees work your arms, legs, chest, and core. Plus, they improve your endurance. It's basically the exercise version of a coffee shot. Super energizing. Here's a little truth bomb. Nobody loves burps, but everybody loves what they do for your body. So, channel your inner warrior, get through them, and then brag about it later. Burpees can improve your anaerobic capacity, allowing you to perform high-intensity activities for longer periods. They also enhance functional fitness, as the movements mimic real-life actions like bending, squatting, and jumping. Additionally, burpees can boost mental toughness and discipline due to their challenging nature, helping you build resilience and perseverance. Complete 3 sets of 10, 15 repetitions. Burpees are high-intensity exercises that provide a full-body workout, enhancing both strength and cardiovascular fitness. Modify the number of repetitions to match your fitness level. How to perform with proper technique. Start by standing tall, drop into a squat. Place your hands on the floor and kick your feet back into a plank. Do a push-up. Jump your feet forward, then jump up like you're trying to touch the ceiling. The key is to keep your form tight and your breathing steady. Oh, and try not to look like a fish out of water when you land. Alright, time for some classic push-ups. If you don't already do push-ups, what have you been doing with your life? Hitting, but seriously. Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises to build upper body strength. We're talking arms, chest, shoulders, you name it. Push-ups help keep your joints healthy, improve circulation, and even help you with other exercises. Plus, you don't need a fancy machine to do them. Just your own body and a little bit of willpower. And if you think I can't do a push-up, you're not alone. Start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups and work your way up. It's like leveling up in a video game, except this game gives you muscles. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core while promoting better posture. Variations in hand placement shift the focus to different muscle groups, offering a comprehensive upper body workout. They also promote better bone health by applying stress to the upper body bones, stimulating bone growth. Furthermore, push-ups can enhance your cardiovascular health when performed in higher repetitions, providing a mild aerobic benefit. You might also think of push-ups as flat or shapely, or even fit perhaps. My push-ups can enhance your cardiovascular health when performed in higher repetitions, providing a mild aerobic benefit. You might also promote better bone health by applying stress to the muscles along with promoting better posture. That's a perfect way to put it. This range effectively builds upper body strength, targeting the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Adjust the repetitions according to your strength and endurance. Proper technique. Get into a plank position, hands under your shoulders, body in a straight line. Lower yourself down, aiming to touch your chest to the floor, then push back up. Pro tip, keep your abs tight so your body stays straight, and remember to breathe, because holding your breath won't help you lift anymore. And now for the grand finale, mountain climbers. If burpees didn't make you sweat, this one will. Mountain climbers are like doing a plank while running in place. It works your core, arms, legs, and everything in between. Plus, you burn a ton of calories. Want to know a secret? Mountain climbers are one of the best exercises for building that flat stomach we all dream about. It's like doing an ab workout, but without all the crunches. And yes, you can do them anywhere. Here's a tip. Set a timer and see how many you can do in 30 seconds. Then try to beat your own record. It's you versus you, and you've got this. Mountain climbers combine cardiovascular endurance with core strengthening. They improve agility, coordination, and balance, while engaging multiple muscle groups, making them highly effective for calorie burning and cardiovascular health. Mountain climbers can improve your hip flexor strength and flexibility as the movement involves repeated hip flexion. They also enhance your coordination and agility, requiring quick foot movements and core stabilization. Aim for 3 sets of 20-40 repetitions per leg. This exercise enhances core stability and cardiovascular endurance. Increase the number of repetitions as your fitness level progresses. Proper technique. Start in a plank position, straight body, palms flat on the floor. Bring one knee up to your chest, then quickly switch legs. Imagine you're climbing a mountain, only it's way less fun than actual hiking. Keep your core tight and move fast. So there you have it. 5 super simple exercises you can do anywhere to get in shape in just 2 weeks. No gym, no fancy equipment, just you and your body working together. And remember, consistency is key. Stick with these exercises and you'll see some serious results. If you want to learn how to build muscle mass with only 3 exercises, click the video on the screen and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.